Today, we're solving problem 21 from the AMC 10A of 2021. Each of the 20 balls is tossed independently and at random into one of 5 bins. Let P be the probability that some bin ends up with 3 balls, another with 5 balls, and the other 3 with 4 balls each. Let Q be the probability that every bin ends up with 4 balls. What is P divided by Q? Well, we have this, we're trying to find P divided by Q. We have 20 balls. Let's start with Q. Q is a lot easier to solve because every bin has 4 balls. Yet every bin ends up with 4 balls, so therefore the probability is going to be pretty even. This is 20 choose, it's going to be something like this. And, well, there's 5 bins, so there's 5 fours. That's the probability where every bin ends up with 4 balls. That's pretty straightforward. Now P's a bit more complicated. P would be equal to some bin ends up with 3 balls, 5 balls, and the other 3 is 4, 4, and 4. Well, now, here's the thing. In this case of Q, all of these are the same. This is a lot easier. But here we have a 3 and a 5. We just choose one of them, and there's 5 bins. 5 choose 1. This is 4. So, 5 choose 1 is 5. And then there's that second bin we have to consider. So there's now 4 more available spots. 4 choose 1 is 4. We have the values of P and Q. Okay, we want to find P divided by Q. Now, they're supposed to be divided by 5 to the power of 20, but when we divide them, they cancel, so we don't have to worry about that. Now, when we just try and solve this, P, what is P? So, 5 times 4 times 20 factorial over 4 factorial times 4. Oh, no, sorry. That's the other one. I misread it. This is 3 factorial times 5 factorial times 4 factorial times 4 factorial. And then this is all divided by Q, which in the same way, this equals 20 factorial over 4 factorial times 4 factorial times 4 factorial times... Yeah, you get the idea. Oh, shoot. It's just 4 factorials being multiplied together 5 times. Now, this method, it's pretty weird, but, useful. This I just learned today, but it's pretty cool. Well, the first thing we do here, what you notice is that these 20s can cancel. From this, we get that this is 5 times 4 times this on the bottom, since... because this is a fraction. When we divide it, we flip it over. Well, now the bottom's going to be all this. 3 factorial times 5 factorial times 4 factorial. Oh, no, I didn't add extra 4 here. Sorry about that. Times 4 factorial times 4 factorial. We can cancel a lot of things here. This cancels with that. All these 4 factorials cancel. Well, in the 5 factorials made up of 5 times 4 factorial. So one of these cancels. This just becomes 5. And now this 3 cancels, and the last 4 factorial becomes a 4 because this is 3 factorial. 4 factorial has a 3 factorial and a 4 factorial. Anyways, you'll end up with this final equation, which is 5 times 4 times 4 divided by 5 will give us our answer, which is 16. So we have done this problem.